Speak. I keep seeing these videos claiming someone made $47,000 in 30 days with AI, so I actually dug into what they earned. Break time equals 600 ms these thumbnails are everywhere, right? The number looks legit. Break time equals 600 ms the title sounds specific. Break time equals 600 ms break time equals 500 ms but here's what nobody tells you about these videos, they're not really tool reviews. Break time equals 600 ms their commission funnels. Break time equals 600 ms the creators get 30 to 40% every time someone buys Jasper, Copy.ai, or one of those AI wrappers. Break time equals 600 ms that $47,000 number? Either made up or impossible to verify. Break time equals 600 ms the FTC says you need to disclose this stuff. Break time equals 600 ms most of these videos don't. Break time equals 600 ms so I spend about 60 seconds on Perplexity AI checking the actual facts. Break time equals 600 ms Jasper costs $49 a month minimum. Break time equals 600 ms Copy.ai is $36 a month. Break time equals 600 ms neither one promises you'll make any money. Break time equals 600 ms I looked up real numbers from actual users, documented average revenue from these writing tools? Under $500 a month for 9 out of 10 people. Break time equals 600 ms that's the real number. Break time equals 600 ms the claims versus what actually happens. Break time equals 600 ms the difference isn't small, it's huge. Break time equals 600 ms these tools cost actual cash. Break time equals 600 ms here's what you're really paying. Break time equals 600 ms drop a comment below. Break time equals 300 ms have you ever bought something because of one of these income videos? Tell me what happened. Break time equals 600 ms the tools themselves are legit. Break time equals 600 ms the income promises aren't. Break time equals 600 ms if you're thinking about dropping $49 a month, use Perplexity AI at $20 a month to fact check it first. Break time equals 600 ms that's the real smart move. Break time equals 600 ms the hype deserves a 1 out of 10. Break time equals 600 ms the actual tools? Maybe a 6 out of 10, they work, just not like magic. Break time equals 600 ms before you spend that money, use the fact check link below. Break time equals 600 ms link in the description. Break time equals 600 ms subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.